Hi guys, today we're going to look at how to make this amazing cashew chicken recipe. It's quick, easy and really yummy. Here's what you're going to need. 250 grams skinless boneless chicken chopped into bite-sized pieces. 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, half a teaspoon red chili paste. I use a little extra because I like my food hot. You're going to need half a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, 2 small cloves of garlic or 1 large clove of garlic chopped finely, sesame oil, lettuce of your choice. I use an iceberg lettuce, but you can use whatever you have on hand or like, and about quarter cup of cashew seeds or cashew nuts as they're commonly called. I didn't have fresh ginger on hand, so what I used was this gourmet garden version. Okay, let's have a look at how I chopped up my chicken. Basically, the smaller the pieces of chicken are, the quicker it will cook. For today's video, I used a single fillet of chicken breast and that serves about 3 people comfortably. So use that as a gauge and judge how much you'll need. So you chop the chicken into little pieces and set them aside. Moving on to the marinade. The marinade's really simple. You've got your chili paste, you've got your soy sauce and your oyster sauce. You could use any chili paste that you like. I just had some Korean chili paste in the fridge, so that's what I went with. Mix that up really well and toss the chicken so that the marinade covers each and every piece thoroughly. And you're going to set this aside for about 10 minutes. Now, while you're doing this, you can actually move on to chopping your ginger, your garlic, getting everything else ready. Heat your pan over medium heat, add about half a tablespoon of olive oil and your ginger and garlic that you've chopped up. And cook that off for about 30 seconds and you will notice that it starts getting nice and fragrant and a gentle sizzle. Now increase your heat to medium-high and add the chicken, the marinade and everything else from that little bowl. Stir that around. At this stage, you're going to add about half a tablespoon of sesame oil as well. This gives it that authentic Asian aroma. Stir fry it till your chicken pieces are cooked through. Now for these size pieces, it took me about 4.5 minutes to cook through. You just want to make sure that as the chicken's cooking, you're turning it on all sides, making sure all sides are cooked and the chicken is cooked right through. You do not want raw chicken. So just stay watchful and toss and turn the pieces as needed. Make sure that you toss the whole thing around a couple of times to ensure that it doesn't burn. Once your chicken's cooked, add the cashew nuts to the pan and stir fry that for about another 30 seconds to a minute till everything's just warmed through. And there you go guys, cashew chicken ready to be served. Now to serve, I just add some chopped iceberg lettuce on the serving plate and top it with a little bit of the cashew chicken mix, making sure that you get a few cashew nuts in there as well. Now at this stage, you can go ahead and serve it as is, but I like to top it up with a few sesame seeds. Toasted sesame seeds, even better. It adds a little more flavor and it just looks so much prettier, don't you think? There you go guys, cashew chicken on a bed of lettuce, ready to serve, that too made from scratch in under 20 minutes. I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe and share this video with your friends as well. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.